Just 1 cup of this drink on an empty stomach in the morning will eliminate that pesky belly fat, which may have been bothering you for a while now. People who have drank it regularly have lost 5 to 10 pounds of weight, depending of course on their initial weight. Now, this drink is easy to prepare, and you probably already have all of the ingredients in your kitchen right now. When you wake up in the morning, your metabolism is slow and sluggish, and therein lies the purpose of this drink. It kickstarts your metabolism and acts as a fat-burning juice inside your body. This drink is all natural and has the following ingredients. Number 1, turmeric. Turmeric contains a powerful bioactive compound called curcumin. It has an anti-inflammatory property and it suppresses the growth of fat cells. It also detoxifies your body and corrects your appetite, hence you end up consuming fewer calories and burning more fat. Number 2, cinnamon. Cinnamon stabilizes your blood sugar levels and increases the metabolism of glucose. You see, high blood sugar levels may lead to an increased storage of fat, and cinnamon prevents this. Number 3, ginger. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, has beneficial effects against obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular conditions. Ginger corrects your digestion and it improves calorie expenditure. And finally, number 4, cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a natural herb that helps you lose weight. This hot little red pepper can curb your appetite, speed up your metabolism, and help you burn calories. It results in fewer cravings and an increased metabolism. Here's how you make this drink. First, the ingredients. Turmeric powder, 6 tablespoons. Cinnamon powder, 1½ tablespoons. Ginger powder, 1½ tablespoons. And finally, cayenne pepper powder, 1½ tablespoons. And now the process. Add 1/3 teaspoon of this turmeric mix to a large cup. Pour 1 cup of hot water over it, mix well, and then finally let it steep for 15 minutes. Have 1 cup of this drink on an empty stomach in the morning, 30 to 40 minutes before breakfast. Continue for 1 week and take a break of 2 days. People who have used this drink have seen positive results after the first week of use. Eat healthy and do a brisk walk every day for better results. For related links and more information on this turmeric drink, check the description box below. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please share with your friends or family, or leave us a comment telling us what you think in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification button to be one of the first people to know when we put out a new video. Once again, thank you and have a great day.